Hey y'all, it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect. I'm coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch more of my content, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Just make yourself at home. Click the like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. So I am back with another video. As soon as I started to record, the noise, okay? It's not going to stop our show. So today I was up early as always, trying to figure out what in the world I was going to wear today. I then ended up aimlessly scrolling on Pinterest and Instagram and happened to stumble upon a picture of a lady wearing a white Lam Gallery bag, and I was just like, instantly I knew what I wanted to wear. And so today we are wearing a cream and black Target t-shirt dress with our black Lam Gallery bag. She is stuffed to capacity, y'all. Like, I had to be careful with this bag and remind myself, girl, this is not a full leather bag, this is PVC. So you cannot be pulling and tugging and stuffing her. This is not kitchen sink crew approved, okay? This is bare necessities and keep it cute. So what I'm going to do is show you guys really quickly what is in our carry of the day. I'm trying to do a little different setup, so I'm not just like holding this heavy bag, pulling stuff out. So I'm going to sit her over here on our little makeshift stand until I find the type of stand that I really want to execute this type of video. So let's see, can you, okay, so she's visible. Keep her as the main attraction. So let's see here. Sitting on top, we have our sunnies of the day, okay? Now, I changed out between the blue light glasses and the matching sunnies. Yes, a moment, a fashion moment. So, I love these glasses so much. I love a good oversized glasses situation. We also have our Coach cross grain leather card holder, black with gold hardware. I need to normalize not trying to turn a card holder into a wallet, okay? Card holder. I have change. I have, each card slot has at least 4 to 5 cards in each slot, okay? Like, it's stuffed to capacity. In here, I have money and coins, and yeah, money and coins. And then in the back is my license and at least 4 to 5 other cards. So let's normalize, okay? Let's normalize not trying to make a card holder into a wallet, okay? So we have our card holder. We have our small black corner zip wristlet, also cross grain leather, gold hardware. And here we have our makeup items. Oh, girl, do you have the nerve to be carrying this and still have? Oh, the Lord kept me today, because I definitely went in the store and it didn't go off, thankfully. And here we have all of our little makeup items. Our brown lip liner from LA Colors. Our lippy of the day, which is MAC Fresh Brew. This is a luster finish, so it feels more like a gloss. So it gives you like that neutral look, that nudie look. I love it. I need to get another one. The fragrance of the day is Very Sexy by Victoria's Secret. We have our lip pencil sharpener by e.l.f. It's time for another one. And bobby pins and a hair tie. So that's what's in our small corner zip bracelet. And then we have our 5-ring key case. I really want them to make a key case with a gold button. Nitpicking, I know, but yes, our 5-ring key case. We have our lotion of the day, which is Jergens. I had the matching lotion for the Very Sexy in like a travel size, like this size. I'm so annoyed to this day that I lost that lotion. I know I was at work when I lost it, but only the Lord knows where that lotion is now. I feel like I've checked all my bags and it still has not turned up yet. So it's time for me to order another travel set. But this is the best way to have moisturized hands without having a scent that overpowers the actual scent of the day. So we have that. And lastly, we have our large corner zip cross grain leather gold hardware stuffed to capacity. As you can see, we have our Crest breath spray, a pen. We have some paper towel because it's hot and chocolate melts. We have some Kleenex, hand sanitizer. We have our AirPods, another pen, and our Tide to Go pen because I was determined to keep this cream and black striped dress clean today. Let me see, any more security sensors? Nope, just the tags, we're good. Yeah, so let me show you guys really quickly how I could have configured this bag. So we also have the black, but this is the pebbled leather double zip. Yeah, double zip wristlet, black with gold hardware. What I could have done was made the front part the makeup compartment, made the back larger compartment the catch-all, and even not use let me check this for sensors, and then not use a card holder at all, and then just put like cards in the back pockets there. But yeah, I just like having all the little SLGs displayed, and it's transparent. It just, I don't know, I like having options. I like catching my options on sale. Yeah, so this is just, I don't know, it's just a mood booster. It made me happy today. So yes, so I have options. And are they the same size? They are basically the exact same size. They are the exact same size. Let me do it this way. Yeah, they are the exact same size. And let's see for the front. Now definitely the small corner zip is definitely smaller, but because I don't have a whole lot in here, I definitely could have went with the double zip and lightened the load. So let's play around and see what that would look like really quickly. But yes, I don't know if you can see it flickering in the background because I see it, but I for sure can't smell it. It is a Mainstays candle. It is a single wick candle. The scent is black cherry. The scent is amazing until you light it, and then the scent becomes non-existent. It's nothing worse than a candle with no throw, y'all. Nothing worse. Like, just the worst. And the candle smells just like the Not Another Cherry by Finery Collection, which is supposed to be a dupe for a Tom Ford Lost Cherry, which I've never smelled, but I know that the Not Another Cherry is just chef's kiss. But yes, there's nothing worse than a candle with no throw, like the type of candle where you have to like be careful because you'll forget that you lit it before you left the house and accidentally leave it lit because you don't smell it. A nightmare. So, but yes, I'm trying to get myself to use things that I have, to be content with what I have, and not just keep buying stuff and having it sit and collect dust and be on display, including home decor, candles, all the things. Okay, so far we have all of our all of today's like makeup items in the front zip. And then what I'm going to try to do is put the pens, the breath spray, hand sanitizer, tissues. Already I'm like, absolutely not, this might not work. Let me see here. Yes, but how have you ladies been? This will be my third what's in my bag. I'm enjoying making these because I get to sit still. I get to sit still. I am really enjoying, oh wait, hold up. I'm really enjoying making these type of videos because, I don't know, I feel like a kid at the playground. Like, just to get to play and like style my bags, it's just makes me happy. Like I said, it's a mood booster. I like it. Okay, so we have everything but our lotion in here. Let me see here. So we transferred the AirPods to the makeup section since it's not much in there. And let's see here with the cards. Let's see, how many cards can we fit? Actually, let's start with the license. Y'all, look at this. Can you see? Can you tell that like it was stuffed? A mess. All right, so we're gonna put our license and all those cards in here. Let's add a few of the other cards. They'll fit. Yeah, they'll fit. Let's test out like the AAA card. Yeah, it'll fit. Okay. All right. So there you have that. So let's try to repack her. I definitely need to get a stand so I can make more of these videos. Put our lotion back in. I don't want the lotion to show. That's the thing. The other SOGs were like hiding the lotion. Let's see this here. And that's the other thing, because my little bag display fell apart. A lot of my bags are now misshapen because they're not like displayed correctly. They're still like stored in a bag. So this bag was definitely out of shape this morning when I went to reach for her. Let's see here. This PVC is no joke, y'all. Like I said, definitely be careful. That's the purpose of the SOGs in this bag, because you put anything, paper, paper with ink, anything like that that has like some type of ink or some type of paint that can rub off, it'll get stuck to this PVC and you will not be able to get it off. All right, the other thing I've noticed with this bag is I am starting to notice wear on the turn lock. I don't know if you can see, but you can see from like where the gold is rubbing off. And I can see that it's starting to turn on the turn lock as well. But minor things, minor. I feel like it's things you can't really see unless like you're all up on the bag anyway. And even though I have switched things around, so even though I have reconfigured the bag, she is still difficult to close, so I will not force it. And then the lotion is still showing. I would never do this because I know this bag, like, everything sticks. And I know this bag will have Jergens written on the side of it forever if I left it like this, so I wouldn't do this. But I know the lotion is not going to fit inside of the double zip wristlet. But yes, this is our carry of the day. She is a whole fashion moment. She turns a lot of heads. I've gotten a lot of compliments on this bag. She's definitely an inspired piece, which is why I love her so much. Yes, but this lotion is driving me crazy on the side. Would I nitpick and find a lotion? The only lotion I've seen with a black, I haven't seen. I don't know. Would I be one of those people who finds like a black lotion container? I don't think it's that serious. But I would have to find another way to hide the lotion because she's like taking away from the moment. But yes, that is our carry of the day. That is what's in my bag. Oh, yo, I love these little bags so much. Like, this type of setup makes me want to like try out my hand at like creating like a bag spill. That's what I need to get better at. I need to get better at transferring what I do on YouTube to my Instagram so they can connect. I'm always talking about Faith and Fashion Connect. Can your social media accounts connect? Because my Instagram is very much me being silly or Bible verses. It's those two, and then over here it's just like everything else that I'm doing. So I want to like try, I don't know, maybe I'll make like a cute little bag spill and take a photo, or even add it to this video. And then yes, you guys follow me on Instagram, so I can get my life and be more active on Instagram, because I like everything I do is on YouTube at this point. So I need to get my life on Instagram. So yes, if you would like to see how this bag spill, my first bag spill, comes out, follow me on Instagram. But yes, that is our carry of the day, our black Lam Gallery bag. If you have enjoyed today's video, let me know in the comments below. If you would like to see more what's in my bag videos on my channel, let me know in the comments as well. If you know another bag loving girly who would enjoy this content, make sure you share this video with her so she also can like, subscribe, stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on my channel. Again, my name is Annitra with Different by Design, where Faith and Fashion Connect, and you have a great week.